Alabama Super Speedway. Here we go. Outside of the track right here. That's a stop sign. Yeah, so you gotta get an inside gate to go there. That's the outside of the track right here. See, right there.